July. Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all me want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. From una ear the vice, una know say one and only Atafa the Press. Well, Parliament may reconvene early to address IC report on Prime Minister statutory declarations. Una hear that, my wisdom warriors? Parliament may open early just because of the IC report. Boy, I want to know, see, the mouthpiece put out this, my wisdom warriors. It seems like mouthpiece know a lot of things that we do not know. Yeah, man, mouthpiece know a lot, my wisdom warriors. It seems like they know a lot because, look, they must, me not see no other news media with this. And them alone, me say with it. Parliament may reconvene early to address IC report on Prime Minister statutory declaration. How them know say it is about Andrew Holness statutory declaration? When Integrity Commission put it out, they never mentioned that word, statutory declaration. No, them never. So how them know that, my wisdom warriors? How them know that? So it seems like they all know what is going on. It seems, when I say them know, me I say it seems that way. I could be wrong, my wisdom warriors, but it seems to me like them all know what is going on. The report, which includes its indicative ruling, was submitted for tabling by the Integrity Commission on Thursday. Look at this. Lambert Brown said, we now know that the JLP have the IC report. They know what it says. They have time to prepare the spin/narrative. They will claim to be vindicated no matter what is in the report. Wanna hear that, my wisdom warriors? This is Lambert Brown talking, Lambert Brown posted this and said, we now know that the JLP have the IC report. They know what it says. They have time. Wanna hear that little part? They have time to prepare the spin/narrative. They will claim to be vindicated no matter what is in the report. My wisdom warriors, the mouthpiece put out and said, Prime Minister declaration form part of Integrity Commission special report to Parliament. How them know that? How them know that the declaration form? Remember, my wisdom warriors, if you go back and look on it good, Integrity Commission no mention nothing about Prime Minister declaration form or nothing like that, So how them know say that? How them know say that? That me wouldn't like to know. Me I pray the whole thing, Me I pray the whole thing. My wisdom warriors, and the next thing, we not going to talk about the 8th. We not going to stop talk about the 8th because I hear the labor right them on them platform say the reason why Andrew Holness are open up the parliament so quick is because they don't want the PNP them to talk about it. Them don't want the PNP to continue and talk about it. So them say, me don't know, my wisdom warriors, because them say a propaganda we are spread. That this is what the labor right they're saying on their platform, that we are spread propaganda. We accuse Andrew Holness. You can't believe that? Labor right sit down. The dunceness them sit down and say we accuse Andrew Holness. How if we accuse Andrew Holness of something that he's under investigation for? Like, come on. Them not have no sense. It just don't make no sense to me. Mark Golding come out and talk about the 60th. Before Mark Golding came out, they were already under the investigation. So, una labor right, una figure get some knowledge, una dance. Me say my wisdom warriors, me tune into them. Them no know say me I listen, because me never comment or anything. Me tune in, and when me hear them attack some way, I couldn't believe. I was so shocked. I couldn't believe them must say at the PNP has spread propaganda upon Andrew Holness. How PNP? You know what that means when somebody has spread propaganda? Remember, say Andrew Holness is really under ongoing investigation, And I like say him not under it. Him under it. And when Mark Golding came out and talk about the 60th, he was already under investigation. Them did investigate him a long time. Mark Golding just make we know what is happening. That's all. And then Andrew Holness go place a gag order upon the minister them. So they can't talk about it. You think so we are fool boy, yeah? So my wisdom warriors, the labor right them now go around and I say, Andrew Holness kill and he's smart. I saw them upon them platform attack. How Andrew Holness kill and he's smart because he ma hurry up. Because you know what, the PNP then continue with this. So them a hurry up and just get it over and done with, and Andrew Holness in the clear. It's like them know already what is in the special report. It seems like them know already, my wisdom warriors. It seems like them know already. Are the first set of people they may ever buck up on when I have no sense. You can't imagine. You can't imagine, my wisdom warriors. Labor right them. It's true them shame like a dog. Them shame like a dog because if Andrew Holness was of good governance, and if Andrew Holness was an honorable prime minister, and if Andrew Holness was credible, let me tell you now, Andrew Holness was not under investigation in the first place. Him who not under investigation in the first place for so long, from 2020. Let me tell you now. So when you come out and a chat some little rubbish, and I go on like say Andrew Holness is credible. He's not credible. People were credible, not falling at them the category there. Let me tell you now. People that is credible, not falling at them the category there. Every day you get up and talk about Mark Golding and Finsack. You never hear some Mark Golding under investigation for Finsack? You never hear that? So why you don't get up every day and chat about Finsack? Eh? You don't even understand this Finsack business. That's why you're out here chatting shit and looking stupid. Andrew Holness is under investigation for thieving, allegedly, taxpayer money. You understand? And we have a right to talk about it. He's under it. He's a public figure. We're going to talk about him. And if he was a man of integrity, let me tell you that he wouldn't fall in this category. I always tell you. So don't stop going like say Andrew Holness is a good man. He's not a good man. He is not a good man. So please, don't just stop. And stop show off with the 100 bus what Daryl Vaz are bringing. Because them a do all of that, my wisdom warriors, just because of the needs. Because remember, them come out and say, them halfway through to the 2030 vision. And me say so, And them a say so. Them say them 60% through to the 2030 vision. You remember the 2030 vision what we always talk about? Well, Jamaica reassessing first world nation goal under Vision 2030. Take a look at my screen, my wisdom warriors. With 60% of indicators on track, with 6 years to go to meet its timeline, Jamaica has achieved 60% of its goal towards developed world status under its Vision 2030 National Development Plan. The likelihood of fully achieving its objective by 2030 remains slim, according to Pisha Brian Lee, Program Director of Vision 2030. So my wisdom warriors, wanna hear what they are saying. On the hear what the government of Jamaica is saying, my wisdom warriors. So when you see Daryl Vaz come out within one bag of bus them and say how him go plaster them all over Jamaica, you think I just so? Eh? You think I just so? All on taxi man. You better get rid of them the type of car they wanna drive because them the car they so stop drive on road. Let me tell you now. You have to have electric car. You have to go park up them the car there. Them the car they wanna have, if it's not electric, let me tell you now, if on a car is not electric, I'm sorry for you. On here. So when you see Andrew Holness talk boy my build infrastructure feel look like a foreign, and him a this and that feel look like a foreign, you know why Andrew Holness is doing all this needs thing. You know my wisdom warriors. It's because of the 2030 vision. When anytime we talk about it, they always are shut down people. See, now the government come out and tell we say they're already 60% on track. 60%. And I can't imagine. So what Andrew Holness do so why not tell we yet? What, because if them 60% on track, my wisdom warriors, for reach the goal, of them vision 2030. What Andrew Holness sign up already for where we no see. We know about the Samoa agreement. We know about it. So what am I do? Oh, am I wait till in turn Jamaica and a republic, then he just implement everything. Jamaica, you've been one. You've been one. We're going down the wrong road. Andrew Holness go down the wrong road, and we need to get this man out of parliament. We really need to get this prime minister out of parliament, because this not safe, you know. This is not safe. But anyway, wanna tell me what you think, tell me how you feel, and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Blessings upon blessings upon blessings. One love.